Okay, this is Wednesday, week 11, 5-a-day. The first question says, write in standard form, which means plain old, 105,029. All right, so I hear 105,029. I'm only writing the numbers that I hear. Everything else gets a 0. This is what it should look like. The second question says, what would go in the blank to make the statement true? So this number sentence is telling me whatever this sum is, it's bigger than 68. So I'm going to first solve this. Pull over to the side. 57 plus 89. I know that 9 and 7 is 16. And 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5 more is 14. So these two together equal 146. So whatever goes here, it has to be smaller than 146. So I'm going to just start guessing and checking. I'm going to add each one. So 68 plus 76, that's A. 8 plus 6, well I know 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 more would be 14. I know 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So if I put 144 in here, this would be true. Now, I'm going to let you off the hook here because I'm looking at my answer choices. 76 is my smallest answer choice. So if I would try to guess and check any of these, I know it wouldn't work because it has to be a little smaller than 146. And this is the only one that works. So A is your best answer choice, and I got you out of a little work. All right, so next, what lists only common factors of 32 and 36? So I'm just going to do my Venn diagram over here and start listing my multiples. I know my first multiple is always 1 times itself. I know 2 is a factor because I know 2 times 15 is 30. That's just one I memorized. And 2 times 16 is 32. So 2 and 16. I know 3 is not a factor because multiples of 3 are 30, 33, 36. No room in there for 32. I know 4 is a factor. 4 times 8. I know 5 is not a factor because it doesn't have 0 or 5 in the ones place. I know 6 is not a factor because the factors of 6 are the multiples of 6 are 24, 30, 36. There's no room for that. 7 is not a factor. I can list my multiples of, my multiples of 7 being 21, 28, 35. No room for that. And I know 8 is a factor, but I already listed it. So I'm done with all of these guys. I'm going to come to 36. 1 times 36, yes. 2, probably, but let me keep counting here since I already have this. 2 times 17 is 34. 2 times 18 is 36. Okay, I know 3 is a factor. 3 times 12. Is 4 a factor? I know my highest 4 fact is 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. Oops. 4 times 9, yes. 5 is not. 6 is. 7 is not. So these are all my factors. Now I'm going to look and see what's common. 1 is common. 2 is common. 4 is common. 8 is not. 16 is not. 32 is not. So now I'm going to look back at my answer choices. Let's see. I have 1, that is common. 2, true. 3, nope. So A is not a good answer choice. B tells me 1, 2, and 4. Ding, ding, ding. B is my best answer choice. Now, even though 1, 2, and 4 are included in these lists, they also say 6 and 8, 4 and 6, and 12, which those are not common factors. So B is my only good answer choice. My last question says, John went to the bank with $289 to deposit, I know that means add, Afterwards, his bank account total was $700. How much money was in his account prior to the deposit? So they're taking me back in time here. So I know that now he has $700. But what did he have before? And to figure that out, I'm going to subtract. But I see that $289.74 is what he put in, and I only have $700 in there. So I need to give myself some zeros in the change section. All right, so I can't borrow. I have to go the whole way to the hundreds place. 6, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down my decimal. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is what he started with, and he gave himself that $289.74, and now he has $700.